Hello everybody, my name's Andrew and I'm with Pure Resonance Audio. In this video, we're going to answer the question, how does the SMG1 work? I think it's important to first talk about the SMG1 and what it actually is. So here in front of us, I have one. This is a circuit-based generator that plays constant white noise. It's very simple. We designed it with simplicity in mind. As you'll see, there's a power button on off. There's gain and tone, which we'll talk about here shortly. And then there's outputs that you will need to route into a mixer amplifier. So why would I need an SMG1? What's the point of it? How does it work? The SMG1 is useful in a sound masking application. Sound masking is useful in office environments, maybe therapy clinics, hospitals, things where speech privacy is a must. Sound masking utilizes white noise to increase the ambient noise level, which makes speech less intelligible. So we see this often in work environments where there's cubicles or therapy clinics where very private conversations are being had, and you need to make sure that people can't hear what's going on. And so white noise helps us accomplish that. The SMG1, it comes with the patch cables you need for the output. This is a dual RCA. It also comes with a 3.5 mini in case you need this. It's also going to come with power cord, which I have plugged in back here, getting things ready to go. So that's going to be the first step that I would do. I would go ahead and plug it in. That's going to give you power. So I'm plugged in. You can see I turned it on. I got blue. That's showing me it's on. Okay, this isn't going to do me any good. Now I need to go out of it and get it into the mixer amplifier before it's useful. For this example, I'm going to put this mini aside. I don't need it. I'm going to use this dual RCA. I'm going to show you this amplifier quickly. This is a mixer amplifier, so the mixer's built in. So I'm going to be utilizing one of these dual RCA inputs. For this example, I'm going to use line 3 specifically. So when I'm plugging in, that's where I'm going into. I'm just going to take my dual RCA, red and white, make sure your colors are matching here. I'm going to take that output and I'm going to go to that line 3, red and white. All right, so now I have this connected. There's a few things I need to do. I need to make sure the input volume or the attenuator for that input line 3 is turned up. So as you'll see, this is labeled on this particular mixer amplifier, line 3. That needs to be turned up a little bit. I'm just gonna turn it up about halfway, just for an example's sake. On the front of this, the gain is about halfway. It's about 50%, so we're good there. And now I don't have a speaker connected, so I can't show this. All right, so now that I have everything set up, I have my SMG1 routed to one of the inputs of this mixer amplifier. I have my speaker connected on the speaker output. Let me show you how you adjust the different volume levels to get the output. I'm gonna turn it up way louder than it needs to be so you can hear what this device sounds like. And also I wanna point out there is a tone pot dial here too. And after I show you what it sounds like, I'm gonna be turning this tone the different directions so that you can hear what it does to the white noise itself. So I'm turning my input volume up, I checked my gain here, and now the last thing is the master. I'm gonna turn it up louder than it needs to be. Okay, so as you can see, it's creating that white noise that's going through my speakers. In a sound masking solution, you're gonna have more than one speaker. You're gonna make sure that your speakers are evenly distributed so that you don't have to turn the volume up super loud to cover the space. As you can see, as I adjusted that tone dial, it dramatically changed the way the white noise sounded. So it was warmer or brighter depending on which way I went. Most scenarios, you're gonna be on that warmer side. It's gonna be more comfortable for the individuals working in that area. So just note that first step is getting everything set up, but then there's a dialing in period where you gotta get the volume output just right and the tone just right for your space. So that's a high level overview of the SMG1 sound generator and how it works. Hopefully this was helpful. We're gonna link all the products in the description below. Our contact information will be available if you wanna get in touch with one of our team members. If you have a need for sound masking, we'd love to talk to you about a design. But thank you so much for joining us, and we will see you guys next time.